I'm going to show you how to go from a testimonial video to literally having professional content that you can craft, and you can use AI tools to do it all. So the one thing you're going to need to do manually is record your actual video. This is William from Fresh Start, the moving crew. He's the operations director.
My name is Will Cooper. I work with Fresh Start, the moving crew. I help run the operations there.
He did a testimonial, so now what I'm going to do is turn it into content that I can easily use, and I'm going to use AI tools for each step in doing that. So the first thing I'm going to do is play William's video so we get a voice recording.
My name is Will Cooper. I work with Fresh Start, the moving crew. I help run the operations there. And today I took the sales and AI training with David Hill. And I'd say my biggest takeaway is just being able to utilize GPTs to help understand our clients better and to just create proven systems there. Key to learn things about using Gemini, other AI systems, as well as how they can follow up and integrate those into their already existing systems.
And so now we have our video. We also have our script. So now we're going to go to my marketing assistant, which is a GPT that I built custom to create content, and it's going to act as a professional marketing person, copywriter, expert in going viral. And so I'm going to give now the script that I created, but first I'll give it a little bit of instruction. Create a description for my LinkedIn page as well as my Facebook business and personal pages that are going to go along with a video that describes this script that I'm dropping in right now. I also would like you to create the right hashtags and anything else that you think is appropriate that will help the video get more engagement. Also do the same thing for a YouTube short, including the title in the description. All right, drop the script in. Let's see what it comes up with. LinkedIn. What happens when operations leaders learn how to integrate AI into real sales? Speed, clarity, follow-up. Using GPT. All right, cool. Now, the thing it missed is the fact that I want people to know, and obviously that's based on my instruction. What I actually want people to know, and the real focus of this description and content, is the fact that these are the highlights from day one of our workshop, including what William has to say. Let's see what it does with that. Day one, our sales and AI workshop officially complete. Here are some highlights. Good, I love it, the highlights. These are from William, beautiful. It says right here, insert video link, perfect. You've got one version for Facebook, you've got one version for LinkedIn, Facebook business page, Facebook personal page, and then YouTube short. Gives me a couple options for my titles as well as a description, and I can hone these down. So I just want to show you how easy that is. Now I have this that I can just copy and paste and then drop with the video. Let me stop share for a minute. Now I'm going to show you how I can go into our system here. This is called Ringleader CRM, but we are an agency with GoHighLevel. So if you want to utilize the tool, you're welcome to. You can go directly through us, or I'm happy to give you my affiliate link, and you'll get it down in the description. You can try it out for 2 weeks and go directly to HighLevel. So let me log in here now and show you. Now we're inside my social planner and GoHighLevel. So I go new post. I want to create a new post. And now I select the channels. Look how cool this is. Facebook business, LinkedIn, YouTube, and oh, it doesn't let you do Facebook personal anymore. They got rid of it. And I can throw it on Instagram. I'll put it on Instagram too, okay? Now, technically, I could do another description for Instagram, which I'm not going to do now for purpose of time. All right, so let's do first LinkedIn. All right, so let me click on the LinkedIn tab. If you want to do customize for each channel, you click that. So let me do LinkedIn first. So I go LinkedIn, day one, copy, love it, love it, love it. All right, good. It gave me some hashtags, copy, paste. Beautiful. All right, good. So I like this, spread it out a little bit personally. So just drop some spaces in there. We'll give him a nice, a nice muscle, right? All right, here's what William had to say. Now, I don't need to insert the video. I'll just drop the video after, and we will go We'll spread this out. All right, good. It tells us about day 2. I like that. And we got our hashtags at the bottom. All right, good. So there's our content for LinkedIn. All right, let me go to my Facebook. Same thing. So I'll just need this William Cooper. Now add it to Facebook. Perfect. So I'm on YouTube. Got my title. It's short. Good. LinkedIn. Here. And by the way, this is inside of our system. GoHighLevel. CRM. So now we're ready for our post. We go over here. We can save, or we can schedule, or we can just post now. So what time is it? It's 2:49. So I'm gonna schedule this post for 3:07 today. Schedule, and that's it. Post created, scheduled at 3:07. That's gonna get posted, and you can see your whole schedule in the library. My friends, it's that simple, not complicated. I took a video, testimonial. I turned that into content right off the gate, and I posted it on social media, all using tools, and it took me less than 10 minutes. And I did it all with super efficiency. And how easy, if you have a VA, which I do, if you have a virtual assistant, you could just tell them to do this, and every time they'll get it right. If you want to learn more about our tools, our products, and our systems, just go down below. You're welcome to schedule a 15-minute strategy call with me. I'd love to learn about your business, see how I can help you. The other thing you can do is if you're like, hey, I already know I want this, you can get yourself a free 2-week trial of GoHighLevel. The link is down below. Just click on the link that says 14-day GoHighLevel trial. Test it out for yourself, test the software, and if I can help you out in any way, schedule a call with me. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.